Hey, this is Rob, and welcome to another episode of My Tin Lizzie. Okay, first, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, now with our fun little intro out of the way, today we're going to be talking about hubcaps. Yes, real hubcaps for the Model T. For some strange reason, when I bought LizT here, that she was missing all of her hubcaps. I don't know why. You know, you can call them hubcaps because it's over a literal hub, dust cap, whatever you want. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So right down here is a hubcap, or actually the lack of one. And this is actually a threaded thing, even though it's grimy as anything. I'll have to get some I'll put some spray. I don't want to put spray on there too much because this should all be packed with grease when we do this. So all of them are missing. Now what I did was I ordered some off eBay from somebody who didn't know, and that's what you tend to get, is people who don't know. They just see Ford, and they were pretty cheap. But the thing about them is I don't know the size, okay? Pardon me as I'm trying to hold the camera and do this. So I got some brass ones, and right now I'm not so interested in their aesthetics as I am in just about covering the hubs and keeping dust and dirt. Once I take them and grease pack them, I want to kind of do this and forget about it for right now. Ooh, nice fancy one, eh? But they're different sizes, so I don't know if this was, you know, you can't ask these people because they tend to be just antique people when you buy it like this. And then I seen up on, I don't remember if it was Schneider's or Lang's, which one of them had these, but they're expensive. They're like about 30 bucks each. So, you know, and I got a whole lot of these things for 50 bucks or something like that. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. So thank goodness it seems to be, yeah, with a little bit of cleaning, I think we can get these on there. So it looks like I should have enough because that's the size. I wonder if this big one's like for a TT or something. Hey, if you know, drop a comment below and let me know. So I think I'm going to pick out 4 of these bad boys, and they don't have to be dandy right now. If you notice, they got dents, and if you notice the brass are, yeah, I think it's brass. It's got a split in it. No big deal for right now, but we'll pick some of these out and get them on here to protect. Hey, look at that. That's pretty fancy pants. Let's grab another one and do another one, see how that works out. Actually, I kind of like the ones that have the split. They go on a little bit easier. Let's see if we got any. Hey, here's another steel one with a split. Let's see if this goes back here. Especially because they're all grimy and grubby right now. Oh, look at that. What do you think? That's like downtown. All right, let's go get 2 more. Ooh, pardon me. So let's see, this one's kind of worse for the wear. That, boy, that is a nice looking one, isn't it? Save our brass ones, and let's see if I got another here. That's another brass. Oh, that looks brass. Let's just grab a couple of steel ones here and go around the other side. Get those on there. Like I said, we're gonna pull these back off. Just be nice to keep the dust and dirt and the other nonsense out of there right now. And one for the back. Right now. Hey, all right. That looks pretty good. So there, just to be functional for right now. All right, let me turn the camera around. All right. So it's fun when you think of things like hubcaps and where this all started from and where this originated from. So it looks like I got my 4 at least. The cover, I got a couple cool, zing in here, the camera, where's it at? Cool brass ones. And then I got this big one. Like I said, if you know about this big one, a little bit bigger in size, here, let me show you what it looks like. Do me a favor and drop a comment below so we can tell others what it is. And you know what? Oh, I don't have my, let me see if I got tape measure. No, I don't. You know what? Down below in the description, I will post the size of these. So LizT here is a 26. So I will post the size in case you are in a situation like me and you need to get a new hubcap, Hubba cap. So I hope you enjoyed this short episode. Think about hubcaps, thinking about making sure you re-grease your wheels before you launch her. It'll be on my mind once we get her going. But for now, I just wanted to cover and keep the dust out. So make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you in the next episode.